What's up, 3 time member, you know what I'm saying? I'm back with another VDN, you know what I'm saying? As y'all see, I'm in the car. Ain't nobody with me. I'm finna go pick up Chosen. Alright. And when I go pick up Chosen, I'm finna go to the car wash and do the car wash prank on Chosen, roll my window down while we in the car wash. You know what I'm saying? So when I go pick up, I'm gonna get right back with y'all, cause we finna see how she reacts to this shit. She probably gonna be mad at hell, like, you know what I'm saying? And then I'm gonna turn around and do the same prank on Bree. You know what I'm saying? As y'all can see, my car Bree need a wash. You know what I'm saying? Dirty as fuck. You know what I'm saying? When I go pick up, I'm gonna get right back with y'all folks. I just had to change that motherfucker to 4K. You know what I'm saying? But I might do it with my cousins in here too, cause I just want to go pick up my cousin. I might do it with them niggas. I might make me 3 videos off 1 video. I might do it on them. I might do it on Bree. And I'm doing it on Chosen. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I don't say nothing. Look, Chris, I can't find me out there on car mate. Let's go buy me some more. See what I'm saying? I'm telling you. Chosen probably don't buck on me. She don't want to fight. She might like it though. We're gonna see though. And I'm gonna have a vacuum the car out again. Cause she got all the whole car dirty. Oh yeah, I couldn't find her, so I got that lip therapy. Oh yeah. So slight. Nothing too major. But we finna keep dropping these VDNs. You know what I'm saying? Stay trim on these folks. Yeah. And y'all like, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. I forgot to say that, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Road to 50K on the Ghetto YouTuber channel, Life of 3 Times, you know what I'm saying? And road to 500K on Cash in Hollywood, you know what I'm saying? And we just hit 100K on TikTok. The Ghetto YouTuber, Cash and Chosen TikTok, and then our other TikTok at like 99K or something like that. Y'all gonna run that up. We're gonna put the link in the description here. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna have the merch. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna open it right now, but I'm gonna have the merch. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to start doing commercials on these folks by myself. See, watching this video right here. I bet y'all throw this bitch on. Alright? We ain't gotta do too much talking. Y'all look who I got me, the crybaby. I got the crybaby with me. Where your money on at? Oh, your money on right here. I got the crybaby with me, y'all. Show your money on. I got the crybaby with me, y'all. What that? What that is?
Huh?
What that is? What that is? What that is?
Huh?
What that is?
Honey.
You got the money? Say $10. Yeah, 10. That's 10.
Yeah.
Say 10. Say 10 for your hoe.
It's you.
Say 10 for your hoe. Yeah. We at the gas station right now. Let me show y'all. It just will put half in there. What? Huh? Let me show y'all how she messed with the car. Yeah. Why you on my phone? You ready? You ready? We got to the car wash. It's her first time in the car wash. She 2 years old, ain't never been in no car wash. It's there. Y'all ready? You ready, Chocho? Nah, not you scared. Not you scared. What you scared of? What you scared of? ready? See the rain? You ready to see the rain? Huh? Yeah, see what's going on. You just squirted the car down. Look at that. Yeah, he hitting the window. Look at that. Everybody hitting the window. Check him out. Check shot that. Hey. It's hot in here. Yeah, it's full.
What?
And I still got
Let that my windows.
Hmm.
Let that windows.
Yeah, you hit the windows. So get back, nigga.
Yeah.
So get back, nigga. Go punch him. Punch him through the window.
What about this?
Hmm.
Let the windows.
It's the windows.
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Hey, Bubba.
Get your hand off the wheel.
Hey.
You can touch the stick. You can touch the bubbles.
I do.
You gotta stand up so you can see.
Windows.
That's the windows.
Ooh.
Oh,
What's this?
you
Where's
can't
the
touch it.
windows?
Huh?
Is that the windows?
Yeah. Look.
Hey. Why you
Oh,
touching
oh,
windows? Please.
Let me tell y'all about this shit. Why he trying to scrape off? Man, I'm parked in the. No cap. I'm parked in the driveway. These folk done fucked around and put a sticker on my car to my parked in the grass. So now I gotta go scrape that off with a what's it called? Ooh, you like that?
Yeah.
Yes.
Hey.
Yes. Like that? Oh, choke. Oh, you got the bubbles. What? Let me see. Look at the iPad. What you got to say? You what? Do what? Oh, look at the car. This shit's settled right now. Huh? Hey. Look at all this. Look, Joe. What is it now?
Yeah, do the bubbles.
The bubbles?
The bubble cars. That's it.
Let me show y'all. See how hard it's so dirty. Right. Yo. What'd you say? You got all the bubbles up though? Huh, wipe it down. Wipe this up. it, vacuum. You got vacuum? Vacuum the flow. Get the flow. Need that one. I just had to show y'all real quick. How y'all putting baby to sleep one-on-one, man. You just have them outside doing shit. You know what I'm saying? You just have them outside doing shit. You just have them outside doing shit. That's the one-on-one class. And get your baby to go to sleep. You know what I'm saying?